Hey y'all, this is Mo Abdallah, founder and CEO of Good Faith Energy. Welcome to today's video with Matthew and Jennifer, where we're going to be talking about commercial solar.
I'm Matthew Haynes.
And I'm Jennifer Holt.
We're here at Watertower Villas in Irving, Texas, to talk about the process of the installation of our solar array on our C-Class property. We had done solar at our house about 8 years ago and realized the potential for that in multifamily environments. When I met Mo and Good Faith Energy, we talked about how would we make that work from a financials perspective, because that's ultimately what matters when it comes to a commercial business like an apartment community like Watertower Villas. We ended up with 267 panels and a plan that allowed us to have 0 penetrations on our roof. We're a part of the community that we live in here. We wanted to make sure that we did all the permits right. We wanted to make sure that the city knew what we were doing. And we wanted to make sure that we made them proud of what we did on this property in being a part of their community.
Recycle everything that we possibly can. We compost everything we possibly can. Our trash footprint is very small.
When we looked at the numbers, we realized very quickly that between the incentives that the local electric delivery companies provided, as well as the tax incentives, basically the day that we turned on the system, we had made money. We decreased our electric utilization by almost 50% on the buildings that are being provided the electricity. That increased our NOI by over $6,000 a year and increased the value of the property by almost as much as we had paid for the system to begin with. So from day one, we were actually saving money and we had made money. We actually did get accelerated depreciation, and that was something that we were able to pass along to all of our investors almost immediately.
And how long are you expecting your payback to take?
It was 0 days. It was from the day we turned the switch on, we were making money off of the system. It's very important to have the right partner because there's so many nuances of a large system like ours that's a 100 kilowatt system. You need people that understand how to tie all of those components together and manage the process.
What was your last month's electric bill?
Negative $538.
Would you recommend this to other apartment communities across the nation, inside of the National Apartment Association and other groups that you're heavily involved?
Absolutely.
If you're an apartment community owner, an independent rental owner, feel free to contact Good Faith Energy at goodfaitenergy.com or call us at 469-209-5910. We'd be more than happy to consult you on these more complicated installations anywhere across the nation and make sure your solar installation goes smooth sailing. It's time to energize the solar system!
You ready, Jim? 3, 2, 1.